It's time to invent with Electrolab. Are you ready? Learning to program is very easy thanks to the HelloBlocks platform. Let's get started. The first step is to have the case at hand. Open it and verify that the switches used to activate the different components are in the off position. This step is vitally important, as some of the components cannot be used simultaneously. Next, you have an idea that you are going to invent a musical instrument, an outlandish device with lights and colors, or perhaps you simply need to automate the watering of your plants. With Electrolab, it's possible. Your imagination is the only limit. After that, identify what components you need and, of course, don't forget to turn them on by sliding the switch to the on position. In our case, we are going to flash the red LED connected to the digital pin of 9. You can see this information in the text inscribed on the board. This will be our first invention, or as the programmers say, our hello world. It's time to program. With HelloBlocks, you just need to have the browser, Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and access hello-blocks.com. Use block programming to create the code for your project. Drag blocks to the main screen and assign the corresponding pin number. In this case, D9. There is nothing left. With your circuit ready and the code programmed, now we just need to upload it to the case. Connect the USB cable available on the kit stand and do not forget to activate the case using the power switch. HelloBlocks will detect if the device is operational and available to be programmed. The platform is compatible with different operating systems, but it is necessary to install the drivers if it is the first time you connect the lab to your computer. In the case of Windows, Mac OS and Linux, you are all set. The last step is to connect to the case and use the upload button. Wait a few seconds and voila! Your invention should work. If you want to know more about this exciting programming tool, don't miss our video Welcome to HelloBlocks.